It's not a foul day. It's a normal day. Gray. Looks like snow. It's cold. I want to talk about what people are talking about. Focus. Does your DJI Action 3 have a focus adjustment issue? Because you adjusted the focus and now it's not correctly focused? Now what are you going to do? Get to DJI. Try to get a return warranty repair done for free. Go to a forum, try to get an answer, and all you hear is talk, talk, and talk. I am that type of person that will take this camera, which is the Action 3, open up the lens protector, use a hose clamp that you got to cut down and modify just a little to fit the ring that you take off the outer O-ring that's around the lens, put it on there, squeeze it, but before you do so, put a little white out on the lens and the frame, and then do a little turn. While doing that, you hope you got your camera set up on a table with a ruler, your computer, the camera on webcam, that a program is opened up, maybe to a large TV screen as well, so you can focus on a chart, a book, an object in a very well lit room. You don't have to have a duster, you just have to have a microcloth. Be careful not to touch the lens oils, get the coating. You could touch it, wipe it clean, it's not going to deteriorate the lens. But remember, anything on the side with ultra wide and wide as well as de-warp may not look to your liking. In lighting, in low light conditions, maybe even bright light, it is not meant for you to focus the camera at 30 centimeters right here, or being far out and you want to get yourself more focus. Well, wouldn't DJI or any other action camera company will make an adjustable lens? Maybe we'll see that on the next models to come. My $329.99 retail camera, it's mine. But if I had another one that I wanted to tamper with, I would. But you know what? I'm happy. I'm happy as you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yes, indeed. I hope you get the point of this video. I wouldn't want to take my action camera and ship it back because I damaged the camera. And to find out DJI is going to charge me $83 plus shipping for a camera that I messed up. Yes, you got the skills, go for it. I don't have the skills, I won't go for it. But I am handy, I can do the work. I just feel it's not worth the while. I'm happy with the Action 3 doing its job, capturing the moments, sharing the moments. But some people, it may not be enough for them. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I thank you for joining me. I hope you all have a good time with your action camera, no matter if it's a GoPro, Nikon, Sony, or a DJI. Enjoy your Insta, enjoy your Aptic, enjoy your Yi, enjoy your moment.